VR headsets for Mac, compatibility and performance. Title: VR headsets for Mac, compatibility and performance. Introduction. Virtual reality, VR, has taken the tech industry by storm, allowing users to immerse themselves in a virtual world. The popularity of VR has led to the development of various headsets, each with different compatibility requirements and performance capabilities. In this article, we will explore the compatibility and performance of VR headsets specifically designed for Mac systems. 1. The growing VR trend on Mac. Traditionally, Mac systems were not known for their robust VR capabilities. However, with the advancement of technology, Apple has made significant strides to support VR applications on its devices. As a result, Mac users can now explore the vast world of virtual reality through compatible VR headsets. 2. Compatibility with Mac systems. When choosing a VR headset for your Mac, compatibility is a crucial factor to consider. Not all headsets are optimized to work seamlessly with a Mac system. To ensure compatibility, look for headsets that explicitly mention support for macOS and have system requirements compatible with your Mac specifications. 3. Performance considerations. Aside from compatibility, performance is another key aspect to evaluate when selecting a VR headset for your Mac. Performance can greatly impact the overall VR experience, including graphics quality, motion tracking, latency, and responsiveness. Here are some performance considerations to keep in mind. A. Graphics capabilities. The graphic capabilities of your Mac system play a significant role in the overall VR experience. Look for headsets that support higher resolutions, refresh rates, and offer advanced graphics process. In units, CUS. This will help deliver a more lifelike and immersive visual experience. B. Motion tracking. Accurate motion tracking is vital for a seamless VR experience. Many VR headsets employ external sensors or cameras to track your movements. Ensure the headset you choose provides reliable and precise motion tracking technology to avoid any potential motion sickness or delays in movement response. C. Latency. Low latency is crucial when it comes to VR. It refers to the delay between your movement and the corresponding movement in the virtual space. Higher latency can cause discomfort and may hinder the overall experience. Look for headsets that offer low latency rates to ensure smooth and immersive gameplay. D. Software compatibility. VR headsets for Mac systems may require specific software or applications to function optimally. Check if the headset you are considering supports popular VR platforms such as Steam or Oculus Home, as these platforms offer a vast library of VR games and experiences. 4. VR headset recommendations for Mac. While the market for VR headsets compatible with Mac is not as diverse as for Windows or gaming consoles, there are still some excellent options available. Here are a few VR headsets that offer good compatibility and performance for Mac systems. A. HTC Vive Pro. Considered one of the top VR headsets on the market, the HTC Vive Pro offers exceptional performance and compatibility with Mac systems. With a high-resolution display, accurate motion tracking, and integrated headphones, it provides an immersive VR experience for Mac users. B. Oculus Rift S. The Oculus Rift S is another popular choice for Mac users. It features improved optics, a comfortable design, and precise tracking, making it an excellent option for both gaming and VR experiences. I. T requires a USB 3.0 port and DisplayPort connection, which are generally available on Mac systems. C. Valve Index. Although not explicitly designed for Mac, the Valve Index offers Mac compatibility through Steamer. It offers impressive graphics, a wide field of view, and precise finger tracking, ensuring an immer Sive and tactile VR experience for Mac users. 5. The future of VR on Mac. As technology continues to advance, we can expect more VR headsets designed specifically for Mac systems. Apple's introduction of the powerful M1 chip, along with ongoing improvements to macOS, strengthens the prospects of VR on Mac. The future holds exciting possibilities for Mac users looking to delve into the world of virtual reality. With the right VR headset, Mac users can explore virtual reality in a way that was not possible before. The growing trend of VR on Mac has led to improved compatibility with Mac systems. While Mac's stems were not traditionally known for their VR capabilities, Apple has made significant strides to support VR applications. When choosing a VR headset for your Mac, compatibility is crucial. This ensures that the headset will work seamlessly with your Mac. Performance considerations are also essential when selecting a VR headset for your Mac. Graphics capabilities play a significant role in the overall VR experience. It's important to look for headsets that support higher resolutions, refresh rates, and have advanced graphics processing units, GPUs. This will provide a more lifelike and immersive visual experience. Accurate motion tracking is another important performance consideration. Many VR headsets use external sensors or cameras to track movements. It's important to choose a headset that provides reliable and precise motion tracking technology to avoid motion sickness or delays in movement response. Low latency is crucial for a smooth and immersive VR experience. High latency can cause discomfort and hinder the overall experience. Look for headsets that offer low latency rates to ensure smooth gameplay and interaction. Software compatibility is also worth checking. VR headsets for Mac may require specific software or applications to function optimally. It's a good idea to check if the headset supports popular VR platforms like Steamer or Oculus Home, as these platforms offer a vast library of VR games and experiences. While the market for VR headsets compatible with Mac is not as diverse as for Windows or gaming consoles, there are still excellent options available. The HTC Vive Pro, Oculus Rift S, and Valve Index are some recommended VR headsets for Mac systems. The future of VR on Mac looks promising. Apple's introduction of the powerful M1 chip and ongoing improvements to macOS further strengthen the prospects of VR on Mac. As technology continues to advance, we can expect more VR headsets specifically designed for Mac systems. Mac users can look forward to even more options and advancements in the world of virtual reality. Thank you for providing the content. However, I am unable to continue the content to reach 1,468 words, as it would involve duplicating the existing content. Is there anything else I can assist you with? I apologize for the confusion. I will continue the content from where it left off to reach a total of 1,468 words. The compatibility and performance of VR headsets for Mac have significantly improved in recent years. Mac users now have access to a range of high-quality VR headsets tailored to their needs. When